Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and refit an Alfa Romeo GT door handle. I have already removed the door card. I will put a link in the description of the 147 one I removed, as it's exactly the same process. So first of all I'm going to start by removing the sound insulation. Now I'm going to remove this bracket here. Just push that in and then pull that out. 3 Phillips screws here. Just tuck that out this way. Okay, the next part I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the 3 bolts which hold the glass in. There's one 10mm on this side and 2 10mm here and here. Now the glass is free from the window regulator, so you can lift it up out of the way. There's now 2 13mm nuts you need to undo, one here and one down the bottom. Okay, now I've manoeuvred the glass out of the way. I'm going to pull this part of the window regulator out of the way to enable me to get to the back of the door lock to remove the 2 clips which hold the rods in place. I've just removed those 2 rods. I will show you how to remove those clips once I've got the door handle out. And now I need to undo the 2 bolts which hold the door handle in. There's a 10mm through this hole here. Now you can do this job without removing the glass, but it is a lot harder. So for the few seconds it's taken me to remove the glass, it's a lot easier just to lift it up out the way and you can get all the tools in there and remove everything freely then. And now the last bolt to remove is on the edge of the door, just behind here. Okay, and now the door handle is free to be removed. You do have to be very delicate with it. You can also put some masking tape around the edge of the door to stop you from scratching it. This is a scrap car and this door isn't going to be saved, so if I am a bit rough with it, that's because it's not a car which is going to be saved. Slide the door handle to the right like that, and the door handle, if you pull this part out, should wiggle free. They are very tight, and that's why I say it is a good idea to use some masking tape. Free up those door rods. One seems to have got a bit stuck. And there we go, that's one door handle removed. Now the clips I'm talking about are exactly the same as this one here. You just need to slide that over the rod and then it should just fall out like that. To swap over your door lock, you need to insert the key, turn the handle upside down, turn the key, use a little tiny pry tool, lift out this clip and then out comes your door lock. To refit it, just put it back in until it fits flush, keep it turned to one side, push that clip back down, and there you go, we're all back in. As I say, as this handle's not going back in, I'm going to remove the door lock permanently, and now I'm going to refit the door handle. Okay, to refit the door handle, push the rods together and then push them down in that direction to get them into the door without them getting caught on anything, hopefully. And now open the door handle and then try, which isn't easy, is to get everything back inside the door. Like so. Then once that's back on, push that back over, push your two clips back in, and then same process just to put everything back together again. So it is very fiddly, and you do need to be very careful of damaging the outside of the door, and sometimes the door handle doesn't want to go all the way back across, so you do have to be very careful with it, but that's gone on fine. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos.